the freeway. Put the signal on. Now respect the speed limit. It says 60 into the actual turn. Okay. Now you're pulling up alongside the freeway. So once you get on the straightaway, now kick it. Get up to 100. 100, step on it, let's go. You're only at 60. You have to get up to 100 before you actually get on the freeway. Okay, that's good. Now back off, put the signal on to the left. Check your shoulder and get in behind this vehicle. And maintain your speed. Now we also have to maintain the proper following distance. Now when the back of this truck reaches like a light post, okay, that white sign, when the back reaches the sign, will count. 1001, 1002, 1003. We're 3 seconds behind him, so you can go a little faster. Because you're under 100 and you have more than enough space between that vehicle and your vehicle. So get up to 100. Now you're at 100. Just hold it there at 100. And that's all there is to entering the freeway.